Welcome to LastPrice, the best place to discover amazing experiences and businesses around your neighborhood. How to purchase a LastPrice deal. Register on lastpricing.com or download the app to enjoy hundreds of deals near you. Select the deal category you are looking for. Let's say you found a great deal you'd like to purchase. Simply click on the deal image to purchase it or add to cart, then buy. If logged in, you'd be directed to the Complete Your Order page. Here you can change the quantity of your desired service to deal. The order total will always reflect the new amount. LastPrice discounts would be applied automatically to your payments. Select the method of payment you'd like to pay with and enter your details. It could be bank transfer, card, payment, or even cryptocurrency. Now to view your LastPrice voucher, go to your profile and click on My Orders and select your order or check your email. The voucher is available in PDF format. It can be saved or printed. Show this voucher at the vendor's store to redeem your service.